Welcome back to the How To University channel. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to delete spam from your Gmail account. So what you're going to do is once you open up your Gmail account, you want to head over to the drop down menu where it says more. Once you're here, you're going to locate the folder that says spam. We're going to click on that. Now you're going to see that there are 3 different emails that are considered spam. So what I'd like to do here is normally click on it here, see exactly what is being sent to me, if I know the person or if it is like a person trying to promote something for me. And as you can see that Gmail normally puts up, why is this message in my spam? It is similar message that were identified as spam in the past. So you can automatically report that one as spam and it's going to remove it, or you select the 2 square boxes and then up at the top you put delete forever. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.